Just now, just wow, it's just now. Cooking up smiles, we'll show you how. Dutch kids making magic, it's the tasty vow. Flip the pancakes, stir the soup. Join the fun, we've got the scoop. Just now, just wow, it's just now's food troop.
Hello everyone, welcome to my episode. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Dutch pancakes by just now. Now, let's head to the recipes. These are the ingredients. And now, let's head to the milk. Add 400 milliliters milk, like this. Then add 200 gram flour. Mix the milk and flour with a mixer. Then add 1 large egg. Now add 2 pinches of salt in the bowl. You need to mix it with a mixer or else it would not taste like a normal Dutch pancake. So be careful. Now add a little bit of butter on the pan. Put a bit of butter on the pan. Only put a little bit in the pan so they don't turn out like normal pancakes. It should be flat or else it would not be tasting good. After 3 minutes 30 seconds, flip the pancake. Then after 4 minutes 30 seconds, you can take it from the pan. Now eat. If you want to put bacon and cheese, make the bacon first. Then put the butter on the bacon. Then put the cheese on. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!